Good morning, everyone. Today we're doing another swap embellishment with Ginger over at Ginger's Corner, and I will have all the links down below for her YouTube channel, her Facebook channel, if you want to swap with us or make embellishments with us and do the hop. All that, those links will be down below and you can check them out. And then plus all the people that actually do YouTube videos or show their stuff on Instagram, those links will be down below as well. Oh, there is one link that will take you right to everybody that's doing YouTube videos. Like there's a link and it will have like one YouTube video after another where you can watch all of them right in a row if you want to. So anyway, today our embellishment theme is welcome home, anything to do with the house. And she said birdhouse, bee house, a home, any home, think outside the box. Well, I am going to do a house, but this actually is a house in Fort Wayne. And when I was going to college, we had to draw 10 houses, like in our, well, just any place where you drove and took actual pictures of them. So I had taken this picture of this Gothic cottage, and it's like, I love this. This is one of my favorite ones. So anyhow, I decided, well, and we had to draw them if I didn't say that. So this was my drawing. And it's so funny because I was looking for it today, and I thought, in my mind, they were this big. About a quarter of this size. But anyhow, it's like, because I just thought, oh, I need to really do something with those. So anyhow, I decided I was going to downsize it since it wasn't the size I thought it was, and do that as my embellishment. And I think you can see it pretty good like that. But so anyhow, I did that, and so this is my description of it. Because we had to hand all that in. So anyhow, I was able to fit 6 of them on my cardstock. And so I'm going to color it, except for I don't know if I'll color the whole thing while I'm doing the video because it took a long time. But anyhow, I started out with this light brown, and it's kind of a reddish brown like this here. Oh, and I went and found this after I started coloring because I thought, I wonder what color all the painted part was. That's what I couldn't remember. And so I went and looked it up, and it's kind of a bluish gray. And I actually took the picture in the winter, I see. And let's see, yeah. And so anyway, it's got, I'm going to show you here, it has like a lot of detail in the work around the eaves of the house. And then it's got the arched brick design, and then this here, it's like the columns, they come up, but you can actually see right through here. So it's like in my drawing I just kind of doodled it, I guess. And then this part here, now you won't be able to see quite as much detail in the little one, but I still think it's a really pretty house. And there was like 2 or 3 of them I thought would be pretty. So anyway, this is the one I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna scan in a little. And so I'm starting out now. When I realize all the brick is showing here, but whenever you did a sketch, it was best not to overwhelm the eye with all the brick being drawn in. So that's how I drew it like that. So I'm gonna go along and color all this light brown. And I'll tell you, it was so fun just looking at all the architecture. And there's amazing architecture in Fort Wayne, as I'm sure there is in a lot of places. And just about every style I think you could find there. And this is just one of my favorites. And they wanted us to draw a 10. So this is the color I'm gonna have that. And then I have gray, the roof is gray. And I did not draw in, which surprised me that I didn't draw any kind of the, any of the little shingles at all, because you can see them. But I'm just gonna do them gray, this gray color that I've got here. And again, I'm just using colored pencils like the other day. So I'm gonna do that in gray. And then when I get down to the wood, I'm actually gonna color it in gray as well. And then go over it with the bluish green, the blue green. It doesn't say bluish green, it says blue green. So I'm just gonna show a little example here of what I'm doing, because you know my coloring is takes a while. So, and so this side here, I don't know why this is painted here, and because it's like it was painted too. You can see here that this part was different, and I'm unsure why it was like that, but you know, I'm a stickler for let's be authentic when it comes to architecture. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna also, you know, do that part there. So I'm gonna color some of this so you can just see how the colors work out, because I just put the blue green over the gray, and I think I mean this is definitely, the whole thing is a little bit darker. And I was thinking, oh, I could, maybe I'll do half of them with a darker brown. I don't know. Haven't decided yet. But I love these, and I always thought, oh, I really need to do something with these houses. So someday I just might make them into, you know, make them all small and make them into some cards or something. I don't know, because I like them. And I figure I did all the work and they're just sitting someplace. Look at getting really old. But I love how they look, and I think they're pretty to see. I like them as just, you know, pen and ink as much as I like them colored. But it's kind of fun to color them after all this time of not really looking at them. I mean, I had to hunt them down. They were in the bottom of my bookcase. So I will continue until it looks like this. And this is what everybody will get, one of these little houses. And I'll probably put on the back that it's a Gothic cottage so that they know. And then I'll cut it out. Oh, and I did go around it a little bit with some what was the color I used? I think it's walnut stain, just to add to the aged look of it, even though it really looks like it could have been built yesterday. I mean, it's like, it was in very good condition. So that's it for today, and make sure you check out the other girls, and I will see you tomorrow. Oh, and I'm gonna build some page kits tomorrow, because I was gonna do that today, and then I remembered I had the embellishment today. So I will see you then. Have a wonderful and blessed day. I will have a close-up at the end. Bye-bye.